my loves, we have a brand new special sound to learn today. The special sound we're learning today is IGH. And IGH is a special sound because it's not going to follow the phonics rule. So we gotta remember that it's a special sound when we see it in the words. And this special sound says I. So it's as if it's just the long sound of our vowel, just the name of our vowel. GH will be silent. So with this special sound, you just hear the name of the vowel. What's the name of the vowel? I. So this special sound says I. I in night. I in night. What does this special sound say? I. What does this special sound say? I. I in night. Again, I in night. Just you now. One more time. So again, IGH says I. I in night. It's like the G and the H are silent. You just hear the name of the vowel. What's the name of the vowel? I. So the special sound is I in night. One last time. I in night. Ready to go to the board? Let's go to the board. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Circle special sounds. Yes. So what do I circle here? IGH. Yes. IGH says I in night. Perfect. Anything else? No. All done here. What about this one? And again, IGH, because IGH is a special sound that says I in night. What does this special sound say? I. Perfect. Let's keep going. Next word. Yes, there is another special sound. So what do I circle? BR. Yes, that is a special sound that says Burr. Burr in bride. Yes. And then let's keep going. What else? IGH. Another special sound that says I in night. Perfect. Let's keep going. The bottom here. What do I circle? Perfect. IGH again. Why? Because it's a special sound that says I. I in night. What about here? Yes, I gotta do it again. The same thing. IGH, because it's a special sound that says I in night. And the last word that we have on the board. Yes, there is another special sound here too. What is it? F and R. So I circle F and R. It's a special sound that says fur. Fur in frog. Yes, fur in frog. And what else? IGH, which says I in night. Yes, so now it's time to read. Remember, you're going to see just one vowel in all these words, but this vowel is not going to act as a vowel. It's going to act as a special sound. So it's not going to say short sound. It's going to say its name, because this special sound says the name of the vowel, and the other two letters are silent. So we're just going to hear the name of the vowel. So are you ready to practice? O, I, lie, light, light. I, high. Br, I, bright, bright, bright. T, I, tie, tight, tight. I, my, fright, fright. Now we're reading without sounding it out. Are you ready? Light, high, bright, tight, might, fright. Awesome job reading, my loves.